This is the worst person that's ever done their job. And why is that door opening so mysteriously? Anyways, you have been so rude to everybody, I tell you. Everybody! Except for girls. You've only been nice to girls. You're the only one that actually likes. You actually only like girls, probably. Only boys are unallowed, eh? 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 No. I'm not gonna let that be done. I'm not gonna let that be done. I'm not going to let that be done. No. Not for long. Down the stairs. Those were very short stairs now, weren't they? Come here. I don't care about if you're trying to swing fists at me. I just care if you fall down the stairs. Oh, those stairs did nothing. Maybe we need the spiral stairs. Down. That didn't work. Did I hurt you coming over here? I broke so many pieces of furniture. No, you were not dead. You were just playing dead. Okay, then.